Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Will Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add title or how to change the title of your Tumblr account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to add title or how to change title on your Tumblr application on your Tumblr account. It's just going to show. So first of all, open your profile. So here, profile, you have this option called title. Click on this or double tap here, and so you can just click on the edit option first and just double tap here. You have this option to edit now. So I'm just going to change this title to my name like Tilak here. And you can see now it's changed to Tilak. You can also change the font by clicking on the font. You have a lot of more font to change like this. And also the color can be customized by using the wheel of color, or you can just use the tool palette color to change. I just go with the black color and click OK and click save option. Now your title has been changed. This is how it just changed. First of all, click on the edit symbol on the top and just edit it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Will Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.